Hi and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Sensationail. It's a home kit for doing your own gel manicure. Now, where I work, you get 10% off at Boots. You just have to order give them the item code and order it in. So that's what I did. This was $34.99 and I paid 31, something like that, pounds. Okay. Hopefully I've angled this right so that you can see contents I take out. So this is the kit, and so this first item. Okay, so when you have, let's refer to the box. So these are the foil sachets. An item list tells you what's in there. These are nail guards. Oh no. Oh, these are like the gel removers, says it removes them within seconds. That thing, kit thing. Got a cuticle thing here. It's got that. I don't know what that's for. An emery board. Oh, I guess this is for your cuticles. Oh, it says Sensationail on it somewhere. So that's gel polish remover. This colour that says never stop whining. All day rose. And top to bottom. Okay. And then the lamp, which is, oh, so your hands do fit in. I must admit, I thought the box was on the small side, but so yeah, so this is the lamp, shaped like that. That's the inside, and this is the, oh, something left in, oh, and there's the cord. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so that's everything that comes in the Express Gel Deluxe one set polish kit. And one of my work colleagues said to me that I needed to get a base coat and a top coat and base coat, so I went and bought one here. So it says base and top coat. So yeah, I'm gonna have a go at doing this. I might do it on camera if I'm able, but I'm gonna have to read and see what I got. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.